Winter is here, and while it's the season of cozy vibes and warm drinks, it's also the time when our skin cries out for hydration. If you're tired of flaky, dry skin ruining your glow, stay tuned because today I'll show you a simple yet effective winter skincare routine featuring the magic of Vaseline. Section 1. Why winter demands special skincare. Cold air, low humidity, and indoor heating. All these factors strip moisture from your skin, leaving it dull and dehydrated. But don't worry, you don't need expensive products to fix this. Vaseline, a humble yet powerful skincare staple, can transform your winter skincare routine. Section 2. Step-by-step winter skincare routine with Vaseline. Step 1. Hydrating cleanser. Start your routine with a hydrating cleanser. Use lukewarm water to avoid stripping natural oils, and gently pat your skin dry. Step 2. Seal the moisture with Vaseline. After cleansing, apply your favorite moisturizer to hydrate your skin. Once the moisturizer absorbs, layer a small amount of Vaseline on top. This creates a protective barrier, locking in all that hydration and keeping your skin soft and plump all day. Step 3. Soft and smooth lips. Winter can be brutal on your lips. Apply Vaseline as a lip balm or use it as an overnight lip mask for ultra-soft lips by morning. Step 4. Healing cracked heels and hands. Don't forget your hands and feet. Massage Vaseline onto dry cracked heels and cover them with socks overnight for baby soft skin. For your hands, use it as a protective barrier before stepping outside. Step 5. Eyebrow and lash care. Vaseline isn't just for your skin. Apply a small amount to your lashes and brows to keep them hydrated and looking fuller during winter. Section 3. Pro tips for maximum benefits. Here are some bonus tips to make the most out of Vaseline in winter. 1. After applying perfume, if you apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your pulse points, the fragrance will last longer. 2. Use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones for a natural, dewy glow. 3. Apply it on dry patches like elbows and knees for instant softness. Section 4. The science behind Vaseline. Why is Vaseline so effective? It's made of petroleum jelly, which forms a protective barrier on your skin. This helps retain moisture and accelerates healing, perfect for winter's harsh conditions. And there you have it, a simple, affordable winter skincare routine that works wonders. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin and hello to your winter glow with the magic of Vaseline. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips.